guys, thanks for joining me again in another makeup tutorial. As you can see, this look is very simple. I literally got this done, I want to say 25 minutes, probably less, 25 minutes or so, which means that you too can achieve something like this. What did I do? I used less than half of the products that I've used in all of my previous videos, because those are like extra beat, and this is like simple beat, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I'll be using half of the products. Again, you do not have to use the exact products that I use. The techniques is what's important, so just pay attention to that. So if you would like to learn how to achieve this look, just keep on watching.